We want to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending this doll to us for free. Is this what I think it is? Oh yeah! Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at the Barbie signature Michel Basquiat Barbie doll. This doll's style is inspired by the artwork from the artist Michel Basquiat. On the front of the box, the artist's name is written in gold lettering, black lettering on the side, and there's a dinosaur on the other side. I have seen some of his work at the High Museum in Atlanta, so it's really exciting to now get to look at this Barbie. On the back of the box, there is a picture of the artist with some artwork. At the bottom, it says, Michel Basquiat Barbie doll. During the 1980s, as the art movement known as the Neo-Expression gained traction, a young street artist from Brooklyn, New York emerged. Barbie celebrates the influential work of Michel Basquiat. His frenetic paintings are an infusion of graphic poetry, cultural dichotomies, and compelling social statements. Basquiat played an essential role in elevating graffiti art from the underground to gaining well-deserved acclaim in the upper echelons of the art world. In a stunning tribute to the artist, Barbie wears a head-to-toe ensemble featuring many well-known masterpieces spanning throughout Basquiat's career. From the gleaming golden crown atop her head to the bespoke suit emblazoned with artwork. Michel Basquiat Barbie doll is a curated collaboration bridging two cultural icons. No more than 20,000 worldwide. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, you get a certificate of authenticity saying that this is a Barbie signature doll gold label. This is an adult collector doll with a suggested retail price of $50. You also get a doll stand that holds the doll around the waist, so the doll can be displayed. She has black braids divided into 4 ponytails, wears a golden crown, has dark lipstick, blue eyeshadow, has on a suit jacket that has some lining. Yes, it's lined with black on the inside, red lapels. The lining stops right before the sleeves. The print on the jacket goes all the way around on the sleeves and the back. She wears a short sleeve collared shirt underneath, a necktie that's blue at the knot, red at the bottom, and that is an actual little tiny necktie. What? Okay, the tie is impressive. She wears wide leg, high-waisted pants with a black ribbon belt that has words printed on it in white, a gold buckle, and she finishes the look with a raspberry-colored boot. The shirt and the pants are 2 separate pieces. The shirt velcros in the front, and the pants velcro in the back. The shirt does have a piece of elastic that goes underneath to help hold it down. This doll is fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, chest, hip, knee. And she has blue painted fingernails. Her body shape is similar to the articulated Andy Warhol doll. It's kind of like an articulated Model Muse body. So she's a little thinner than our made-to-move Barbies. But the clothes are pretty loose fit, so they can probably fit some other dolls. Jacket totally works on our BMR 1959 Barbie. I was very careful and I was able to put the jacket on this Ken doll. Now it is a snug fit and it's a little short on the arms, but he can still bend his arm, so that's pretty good. Overall, I think this is definitely a doll worth adding to our collection. The outfit, it is literally a work of art. That gives me an idea. Craft time! Take a piece of foam board, Here is the short side and here is the long side. Measure up 14 inches on the short side, draw a line, cut on the line drawn to make 2 pieces. Repeat on the leftover foam board, so we have 2 14-inch high rectangles. Find the center of each board. This is about 20 inches across, so for me that is 10 inches. Score a line going all the way down, being careful not to cut all the way through the board, so that when we bend it, the boards are connected and create a corner. Repeat for the other board, giving me 2 folding corner rooms. Take the packaging. I'm going to use it as inspiration to make some mini paintings on regular paper. We'll do a little yellow background. Let's mix in a little bit of white there to fade it out. Let's add a little peach right through here. A couple more yellow lines. Maybe a little red right through there. Add a little black right across the bottom. Allow it to dry. Now let's add kind of a jaw here. A little bit of a face. Get some ears out to the sides. Go down. We have a neck. Shoulders. Add some hair. Add a white outline. A few facial features. Add some more details. Allow it to dry. Cut recycled paperboard. Glue the painting onto the paperboard. Wrap and glue the paper around the edges to make a Jean-Michel Basquiat inspired painting. Make a few more and feel free to take a few artistic liberties. Glue them onto the foam board. Stagger the corner rooms so one is slightly behind the other. Lay down scrapbook paper or poster board for a floor to make a mini art gallery or museum to display the art, giving us the perfect background for our doll. And when playtime is over, they fold up for easy storage. And we still have the box to safely store our doll or use it as a part of the museum. Overall, I think this doll definitely represents the artist. If you are familiar with his work and you see this doll, you would know instantly what it is. When it comes to fashion, the belt, tie, and jacket are great pieces to add to your wardrobe. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Jean-Michel Basquiat Barbie doll and made a folding art museum. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.